I've made several videos recently on how ChatGPT can help Scrum practitioners, Agile practitioners, but can these AI tools replace Scrum Masters, Agile Coaches, Product Owners, even developers? Let's find out in this video. But first, let's set the context. What are we actually trying to replace here? As per the Scrum Guide 2020, the Scrum Master helps the Product Owner, the Scrum team, and the organization. Let's focus right now on the Scrum team. I believe that all the things that the Scrum team is required to do as per the Scrum Guide for the Scrum team is the easiest one to replace if I was an AI. As per the Scrum Guide 2020, the Scrum Master serves the Scrum team in several ways, including coaching the team members in self-management and cross-functionality, helping the Scrum team focus on creating high-value increments that meet the definition of done, causing the removal of impediments to the Scrum team's progress, and ensuring that all the Scrum events take place and are positive, productive, and kept within the time box. All these are expected from the Scrum Master. So, are there AI tools on the market right now, including ChatGPT, that can do all these things and replace the Scrum Master? The first one, coaching the Scrum team members on self-management and cross-functionality. Go to ChatGPT right now. Type what is self-management, what is cross-functionality, and you get a lot of details, knowledge that will help you understand these two concepts. Now, based on this understanding, what can you apply? How can you make your team more self-managed, more cross-functional? Ask ChatGPT and you'll get answers. You can even feed your context. I'm in a team of 9 people. Some are front-end developers, other back-end developers only. The back-end developers don't want to do front-end work. They don't want to do testing. That's why we have a QA. How can we get this team more cross-functional, self-managed? Ask ChatGPT and you will get the answer. So it's teaching you. It's coaching you based on your context. You can ask questions. You can even get ChatGPT asking you questions during a coaching session. You can have a coaching session with ChatGPT. The problem is you need to input. You need to interact with ChatGPT as you are interacting with a Scrum Master. But a Scrum Master does more than that. A coach does more than that. A coach is present in your meetings. A Scrum Master facilitates Scrum events, sits on the same table as you, or joins your online meetings, listens. That's the biggest tool, the most important tool of a Scrum Master, the eyes and the ears. Observation. Extremely important, because with this observation, you can coach people better. And unfortunately, currently, ChatGPT or any other AI tools can't do that. They can't listen to you, all your conversations 24/7 as a Scrum Master would be able to do. So currently, teaching, knowledge, good. Coaching sessions, good, but listening to you and giving you advice based on your context, currently not possible. The second thing a Scrum Master should be doing from the Scrum Guide, helping the Scrum team create high value increments that meet the definition of done. Definition of done. Ask ChatGPT, what is the definition of done? Why should we use the definition of done? Templates, examples. How can we facilitate a session? Can you, ChatGPT, facilitate a session? Ask us questions as a team to create a definition of done. ChatGPT can do that. So I would say ChatGPT can replace the facilitator of a session. Remember, the Scrum Master here for the definition of done, giving the knowledge and facilitating a sort of workshop to ensure that the definition of done is created. Now, for the definition of done to be respected, a Scrum Master would be listening to you during your day-to-day. Know that you're breaching or not, ensuring that you are accountable, ensuring that you understand what it means to be accountable, and you can keep each other accountable, respecting this definition of done, ensuring that it's always updated, up to date. ChatGPT, unfortunately, can't do that because it can't listen to you 24/7. You still need to feed this information. But if in the future it can, it will even be able to trigger something when you're not respecting the definition of done. That would be really helpful. But currently, we're not here yet. The second part is helping the Scrum team create high-value increments. I ask ChatGPT, how would you do that? You are a Scrum Master, an Agile coach. How would you help the Scrum team create these high-value increments? These are the main things that it suggests: ensure a clear product backlog, promote collaboration, provide clarity on objectives, sprint goal definition, guide the definition of done, facilitate sprint planning, remove impediments, encourage continuous improvement, monitor progress, celebrate success. You can literally take all these things and ask ChatGPT to explain them to you, why these things are important. Ask ChatGPT to facilitate workshops for you to ensure that these are respected. For me, yeah, I would say for the second one, high value increments, meeting the definition of done, ChatGPT is pretty good. Currently can replace a Scrum Master. Obviously, the Scrum Master will be way more effective because they're actually listening to all the conversations. They are seeing in the meeting, but the product owner is diverting from bringing value to the customer and doing something that stakeholders want. We are seeing that we are not respecting the sprint goal. We are working on other things. Only a Scrum Master can currently do that. Until an AI tool would be able to listen to all your conversations and really access all your applications to get the full context. The next thing a Scrum Master should be doing, as per the Scrum Guide 2020, is causing the removal of impediments. Now, ChatGPT can't do that for you currently. Can explain to you what are impediments. You can feed your context. Maybe they can help you, ask you questions, give you advice based on your context. But sending messages to other teams, helping you identify these impediments, ensuring that you are not ignoring these impediments, that you're working with other product owners, other teams to resolve these impediments, sending messages. I can't do that. A Scrum Master can do that, but a Scrum Master should be causing. A Scrum Master is not here to resolve all these impediments. A Scrum Master should be causing the removal of impediments, meaning should help you support the team in identifying these impediments, resolving the impediments, and ensuring that you don't ignore these impediments. An AI tool can't do that up to now. But once we can have an AI tool that integrates with all the applications that we use, listens to us constantly, can send messages to several people, that would remove a lot of admin stuff that the team needs to do to resolve impediments. It would be ideal, but we are not here yet. And that's a good summary of my point of view on these AI tools. We are not here yet. Currently, ChatGPT, all these other AI tools, a glorified version of a search engine, and not even as good as popular search engines. You see, ask something to ChatGPT, they will give you an answer. But if you typed the same thing on a search engine, you would get articles, my videos. Do you really believe that an answer from ChatGPT is better than reading a book on the topic that you're researching for? Go to ChatGPT right now. Ask ChatGPT the title of this video. Can ChatGPT replace a Scrum Master? And compare my video to the answer of ChatGPT. Let us know in the comment section if ChatGPT's answer was better than mine. You see, you get something different when you're reading an article from someone, a comment from someone, a human writing a book, making a video. You get their point of view, something that currently an AI tool can't give you basic stuff like knowledge and all that, but insights, their personality, help you understand a complex topic because we make the videos entertaining. ChatGPT can't do that right now. And all the information that ChatGPT currently gives you, or at least most of it, currently online. You can find this information in an article somewhere, in a video somewhere, in a book somewhere. For years, this information has been available, but still, you need Scrum Masters, right? You need Agile Coaches, right? You need all these people to teach you stuff that you can find online. Why? What makes an AI tool different? Do you still believe that people will start using ChatGPT? They had all the information online, they were not using it. We are very far from ChatGPT replacing coaches or teachers. And as per the Scrum Guide 2020, the Scrum Master, a true leader, 2 things that a Scrum Master should be doing. Making sure that the team is effective and implementing Scrum as per the latest version of a Scrum Guide. You need to motivate the team to be effective because they will be doing the work. You can't make them effective. They will make themselves effective. You can support them, help them. Yeah. They need to make themselves more effective, more efficient. They need to implement all the things in the Scrum Guide. You can't implement that for them. The mindset, the agility mindset needs to shift. Maybe they still have a micromanaging mindset, still believe that we need to take months to release something. But feedback is not important. Communication is not important. We are not in an environment of trust, of safety. As a Scrum Master, you need to help them, support them in their journey towards being more effective, improving themselves, towards growth, meeting the product goal. That's a true leader. An AI tool can't do that right now. That's why we still need a Scrum Master. Currently, an AI tool can't do that. Second thing, empathy. One of the main skills But the Scrum Master needs to possess really understanding people, because it's a people job. Say what you want, people think that it's project management, but it's software development. No, you're someone who is good at interacting with people. Do you really believe that an AI tool currently, with all the tools that we have, can interact with people better than humans can do? No, obviously not. So I won't even talk about that. We are extremely far from an AI tool being able to replace people that do soft skills job, actually interacting with people. But don't get me wrong, I still believe ChatGPT gives you the knowledge. You can ask questions. They can ask you questions, even give you context. You get a lot of answers. But the human side of things, no. You don't get that. And try it. Try it. Give it a try. Tell ChatGPT to facilitate a workshop for you, to facilitate your daily Scrum, your next sprint retrospective, your next sprint planning, and see if they can do that currently. And come back to this video. Let us know if ChatGPT is replacing a Scrum Master or a facilitator. I don't believe that is currently there. A lot of people have been saying that recently. ChatGPT will replace all the coaches, all the Scrum Masters, Agile coaches, developers, product owners. Really? I don't think these people are even using these AI tools. Because if they were, they would know that we are not here yet. In the future, obviously, bad Scrum Masters will be one of the first people to be replaced by ChatGPT. Scrum Masters that facilitate sessions, send meetings, take minutes of meetings, bring coffee, do all the admin stuff. Obviously, that's a bad Scrum Master and will be replaced by ChatGPT. But a great Scrum Master will know how to use these AI tools to be more effective. That's where we are going. Good Scrum Masters, Agile coaches, developers, product owners know how to use search engines to be more effective in their work. So they will need to know how to use ChatGPT or any AI tools to be more effective in their work. Same thing. I still believe that human interactions related jobs, soft skills jobs will be the last to be replaced by AI tools. Simply because this human interaction is extremely hard to replicate as an AI tool compared to the rest of the things. Which brings me to my next point. If you want more tips, insights on Agile, Scrum, personal growth, click on the video that stands out the most on the screen right there. And I'll see you in a few seconds.